reflection in Zumba style. Question number 1. What are the main features of this Zumba style? My favorite Zumba style is Zumba toning. I recommended Zumba toning most for cadets and fitness because it uniquely combines cardiovascular endurance with strength training using light weights. This mimics the dual demands. Question number 2. What kind of movements and depth are used? Cardiovascular endurance, high energy like Zumba Gold, low impact, or standard Zumba. Elevate heart rate, improving stamina for long drills. Question number 3. How can you apply your knowledge of Zumba in daily exercise routine? Zumba's blend of cardio strength and mental toughness directly supports